So I just got this keyboard and I want to unbox it with you for the first time and share some important details. Let's pop the box lid up. So it is ergonomic, which is the shape of it. It works for Windows and Mac. Let's see, it is Bluetooth as well. I believe this color should be the black one based on the label on the side. Comes with some manuals and instructions. Comes packaged pretty nicely in this kind of foamy material. So here's the keyboard itself, and it's a split type of keyboard. So it's you have one hand here, the other hand here. This is like a really soft, kind of rubbery, padded for your wrist, so you don't have to have your wrist on the desktop. And it's actually all one piece, so you can't take that piece off. It's just part of the keyboard. You can put these little legs up depending on how you want to sit. If you want to tilt it more like this or like this. And then on the back, it has a USB-C for charging port and then an on and off button. And then it has rubber feet on the base, so that's really nice. I appreciate that it doesn't have to take batteries these days, because why not just recharge it instead of having to put like AA's or AAA's in. So the mouse, this back piece slides off, and under here, there is a little hidden USB if you need to use USB, if your computer doesn't have Bluetooth. However, most computers these days do. There's also the on and off button on the bottom, and then again, a USB-C recharging on the front. The mouse has the two typical click buttons here. It also has a scroll wheel with a click, has another click button here, and then two more on the side. So that's really handy as well. And then in here, there is the cable, which is USB-C to USB-C, and they also give you a USB adapter in case for some reason you do need to charge via USB and not USB-C. So that's really handy. It is one cable that's supposed to charge both, so you'll just have to alternate charging on them. But to connect them is really easy. All you do is turn them on, go to the Bluetooth setting on your computer, and then hit connect on the device, and then you're good to go. So overall, if you're looking for a really nice keyboard that is Bluetooth, that's rechargeable, that's ergonomic, I suggest you check this out.